If you rely on UBlock Origin to keep ads and trackers at bay in Chrome, you might have noticed a warning lately. This extension may soon no longer be supported. Today, I'll explain exactly why this is happening, what it means for your browsing experience, and show you your best options moving forward. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your privacy and browsing comfort intact, even as Chrome changes under the hood. So let's dive in. First off, what's going on here? Chrome is in the process of phasing out something called Manifest version 2, or MV2 for short. This is an older system that many extensions like UBlock Origin depend on to do their job. The new system, Manifest version 3, or MV3, introduces new restrictions. Unfortunately, for something as powerful as UBlock Origin, these restrictions mean some of its advanced filtering and blocking capabilities just don't work the same way. The developer has actually said that there isn't a full MV3 version of UBlock Origin for Chrome, simply because Chrome now limits some of the very features the extension needs. So if you're using Chrome, you'll start seeing warnings on UBlock Origin right in your extensions list. These warnings aren't just annoying, they're a heads up that Chrome might stop supporting the extension entirely. If you ignore this, you'll eventually lose access to one of the best ad blockers out there, so let's talk about how you can stay protected. You've got two main paths you can take. The first option is to switch to an ad blocker that's already compatible with the new MV3 rules. This means choosing something like UBlock Origin Lite, AdGuard, or another blocker that's updated for MV3. Here's how you do it. Just head over to the Chrome Web Store, search for the MV3 version of your chosen ad blocker, and click Install. Take a moment to configure it. Set your filter lists, your preferences, or other blocking options so it matches what you're used to. It's a little like swapping out a comfortable pair of shoes for something new. It might feel different, but these MV3 blockers are designed to work within Chrome's new rules, and they'll keep basic ads and trackers away, even if they're not quite as powerful as the original UBlock Origin. If you're someone who really values advanced privacy features and wants to keep every capability UBlock Origin offers, option 2 might be the way to go. Here, you'll switch to a browser that still supports the older MV2 extensions. Mozilla Firefox is the most popular choice. Firefox is continuing support for MV2, so you'll be able to use the full version of UBlock Origin with all of its powerful options, just like you do now. Don't worry if you've never switched browsers before. It's easier than you might think. Download Firefox, import your bookmarks and settings from Chrome, and install UBlock Origin right from their add-on store. You'll feel right at home, and your ad blocking will keep working just as you expect. Remember, these changes are happening because of decisions made by Chrome, not by the UBlock Origin developer. So whatever you choose, you're taking control and making sure your browsing stays clean and safe. If you're unsure which path is best, don't worry. Try out both if you like, and see which suits your needs. And that's it. If this video helped clear things up, please hit the like button so more folks can stay informed. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments. I check and respond to those regularly. And if you want more tutorials like this one, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.